Hi guys, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to log someone out of a Snapchat account. For that you need to open the Snapchat application. Once you are here, tap on the profile icon or the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. On the section, tap on gear icon which is located at the top right corner of the screen. When you get access to the settings page, you can easily view two-factor authentication option. Tap on it, and in order to turn on two-factor authentication, you need to tap on continue button. You want to choose a way to receive your verification code. Let's tap on SMS verification. Let's enter the phone number here and verify our number at first. So once you verify your number and enter the verification code, that will turn on your two-factor authentication, and after that you will get access to this page where you need to tap on forget devices, which is at the bottom of the screen. So you will find all the devices that have access to your Snapchat account on this page. For now I don't have anyone, so in order to log someone out of a Snapchat account, you can simply select the device and tap on the cross mark in that device itself, and you can easily log someone out of a Snapchat account. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to get the updates from this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.